you really enjoy dancing?
Yeah, but I can't dance.
I don't know, I'm just seeing in my mind like Mardi Gras, there's just all this like, I don't know if it's island music or whatever, but it's just like really enjoying, just being happy.
Oh, I just released a song, so.
Oh wow.
I won't make it easy for you now. 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 I won't make it easy for
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today is gonna be this is gonna be an interesting vlog. So today I'm doing something new. The gym that I work at, they provided me with this opportunity to meet with a shaman. I don't know how many of you know who a shaman is, and I'm gonna somehow insert a clip telling you exactly, giving you a definition, if you will, of what a shaman is.
Clearing dense energy and connecting with the source energy sharpens our intuition and clarity so that we can use our own inner guide to answer important questions. Cultivating these tools help us navigate life and relationships with greater ease and grace. You live your life through the voice of your soul.
I've never done this before. This is new to me, and I was like, I should definitely vlog this because I don't think, there's a lot of people who don't really know about this type of thing, and even if they know about it, they think it's so taboo and they think it's messing with spirits and a bunch of stuff. So I really wanted to experience this, and I wanted to take you guys along on my journey. So right now I'm driving to the gym. That's where we're gonna have the session. I do believe the session should be an hour long. Of course, I'm not gonna make this video an hour, but I'm gonna show you as much as I can show you in the video. Oh my god, my skin is so clear. But yeah, I'm gonna show you as much as I can in this video. With everything that's happening in the world, and so many people dying, COVID and stuff like that, you really want to take care of yourself, and you want to be one with your inner being, and you want to have a clear direction and a clear path when it comes onto life. So for those of you who practice yoga, I would say this is an extension of yoga in a sense, because of the principles, right? And because of the principles that yoga teaches. So I'm looking forward to sharing this experience with you guys. I'm excited. One of the things they encourage you to do before you do this cleansing, or before you meet with a shaman, and I hope I'm saying that right, they encourage you to say a prayer to your spirits, giving the shaman permission to perform the work that he's about to perform. And like I said, the shaman is kind of like a vessel. He's literally just a guide. He's not no magical healer. He doesn't take on bad energies. He literally guides you in getting rid of the bad energy. So I'm excited. I don't know. I've never done this before. I don't know what to expect other than, what they've told me. So I did my prayers, and, you know, given permission for, you know, whatever this is to happen. So yes, I'm excited for you to meet the shaman, and let's get it. Let's get Clint. Clint, you get it? Clint? Yeah, anyway, let's get clean.
I'll just start by clearing out your energy. It's funny. Like the smoke basically is like a shower for your auric field, for your spirit, for everything, for your ancestors to clean up and release things. So I use 3 different sages. I got sweetgrass, I got cedar, I got incense powders, I have bear root. To me, they're all medicine. They all come from the earth, or organic. And we all connect with different things, and all over the world there's different. I had a friend, she gave me some sage that she would get from Africa, and I would use it, but I used it all up. So I try to find spiritual things, because if you believe in past lives, then you've done many, many lifetimes in many other cultures and other things. So I believe when a person is in a place, and say somebody lit sandalwood, and because he had another lifetime, it may open up and bring spirits from those lifetimes where you were connected, that may heal or bring back memories. So I use a lot of different things to try to help people. And basically the smoke sort of washes, but then there's a chi force, a life force. So with the bear root, if you're asking it to help you, when you breathe it in, you can ask, say if you got a bit of a brain fog and you ask, can you please help? After a while, you'll notice that your mind will clear up in the sweat lodges and other ceremonies. We'll put bear root onto the rocks, and we'll tell people smudge and cleanse yourself, then ask it to help heal you. So we use these kinds of things, and they do a lot of good things. Like I say, it all comes from earth, it all comes from Creator, and it's a natural life force. Excuse me. Just trying to get your guys to come in. Need them to come in and start doing their stuff. So in your home, do you have any kind of an altar, things that you connect with, that from back home or anything like that?
No, like honestly, I don't really have stuff from back home.
Right.
There.
Feels like you need something like that, and invite all the spirits. Everything you grew up with, you can ask to be with you. And having that sacred place where you connect with your ancestors and other things, I think it's gonna do something. It's gonna bring in a bigger, stronger energy. It's gonna do something. And even if you can have a family member to like maybe send you some seashell or something, some rocks or something from your country, something that's the energy, and then having it on a spiritual altar with some other spiritual stuff that you're connected with. Feels like it'll really bring through a lot of good things for you. Feels like you're at a point where there's transitions. It's like in your mind you're trying to figure out which direction to do or what you're gonna do. Feels like you're gonna go more and more and more into energy and spirituality. So the books and some of the things we talked about may really help you a lot. Getting images of Calgary, so I don't know if you thought of moving down that way or something like that, but Calgary is really strong.
We have when I'm fighting it.
Yeah? Okay, because whoever is here with you, that's what they're putting in my head, so that's what I'm seeing. Feels like a lot of happiness, a lot of, I don't know, it just feels like really lots of fun energy. So whatever you're gonna connect with, it feels like there's a lot of fun and happiness. And they're not showing me what it is, but it feels like there's a lot of that starting to come into your life. Something is opening up for you.
It's a lot of changes for sure.
Yeah, and I really think if you ask your guides and that to start showing you, I think in your dreams and that you're gonna get shown, like they'll give you answers and show you different things. I think you've done that before, where they've shown you things and things just happen. Anything you're done with, it's like the universe doesn't take anything from anybody until we're done with it or we ask them to remove it. So if there's things there you want gone, just let them know in your mind. It's like, I just like you to help remove or release this cord or undo this. Or if there's something there you need returned to you. There's times in life where we're close to people and that, and we give all kinds of things through love and that, and it just, then it's like, oh no, I need it back, I need that for me, and it's just asking back for what is yours. You really enjoy dancing?
Yeah, but I can't dance.
I don't know, I'm just seeing in my mind like Mardi Gras, there's just all this, like, I don't know if it's island music or whatever, but it's just like really enjoying, just being happy.
Well, I just released a song, so.
Oh wow, cool.
Maybe that's what it is.
Nice.
It just came out last night, so.
That's
Yeah.
cool. So in my mind, it's just I'm seeing a lot of people dancing and enjoying themselves. Like I say, I don't know if it's island music, but I'm also seeing sort of like a Mardi Gras scene where people and their drums and all kinds of stuff going, and people are just like, yeah, and they're just doing their stuff, and this is what I'm seeing. So I don't know if this is something the universe is opening up more for you, but there's something about happiness and it all. Feels very good, feels light, feels happy, feels joy. That's what I'm getting from it all. So maybe this is the start of that, lots of new things coming through. If you're on the right path, it's like magic happens. Your head's feeling lighter and everything? Really feels like it's opening up lots for you.
All the pressure.
I'll just lift some energy here. So what I'm getting is there's a lot more energy flowing into your throat and your heart chakra area and that, so they're opening up things more, so you may feel a lot of more energy moving down through for however long they need to do that. So just give them permission to do that, to clean up things and a lot more good things to come in. So whatever your future is, more good positive things will come through. Well, we cleaned up a lot of stuff, and that's always a really good sign. You're feeling light, so a lot of things that were there, they've taken care of. Just keep letting this energy flow through, whatever needs to change or heal. Just invite it in, and like I say, while you go to sleep, if your knee is bothering you, just before you go to sleep, just say, okay, my angels, whoever, can you just doctor, fix my knee so when I wake up in the morning, it's not bothering me. Even with your wrist, if it's hurting or anything, just give them permission while you're sleeping to fix all these things.
That's where Joe never says he heals anybody. He's like, the universe does it. He just clears the energy that needs to go so that your spirit guides, your soul and creator can heal your body, especially when you're inviting it in and you're giving it permission. So now that this clearing session is at its end, it's like the old is gone and the new is invited into you, it's filling you. Keep asking for this new energy to continually work with you so that you become used to it and it becomes your normal. The old is so familiar, and oftentimes people will call back the old energy because they know it so well. But the desire for the new, the desire for the future, the desire for change will keep pulling you in that direction, and this energy will support you in moving forwards.
Yeah, when you go home, invite all these good, like I say, they're your ancestors or your angels, so invite them in. If you're in your car going shopping, invite them. If you're at work, wherever you go, just have them around you to help you to do whatever it is you need. All right?
And drink water.
Yeah.
That will help to move the energy and ground.
Oh my goodness.
Feel
Thank
good?
you. Yeah, I do. Thank you so much.
Lots.
Hey guys, I didn't do I didn't end out my video, so I just wanted to really end out my video that I did about the cleansing today. I want to say thank you to the shaman that actually did the cleansing today, and his assistant as well. I'm going to leave their information box in the description box below, but what I can say is that after the cleansing, I did feel refreshed, I did feel revived, and I felt like I was lighter, you know, walking out of that session. And it did bring some amount of clarity, some amount of peace after doing that cleansing. And I encourage you guys, don't judge what you don't know. Do some research and really try to understand what the process is before you start making your assumptions and your judgments about things that you don't understand. I do believe this is something that everyone should at least try to do in their lifetime. Like it really is it really opens the mind. And also, you know, if you can't afford a shaman or you can't afford to get a cleansing like that, start off with yoga and really put some intention into your daily living. Start off with yoga and you guys, because we really need to find that inner peace, and you know, and let's just manifest wealth, blessing, love, joy, happiness, and you know, let's just live, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you guys for opening your minds and opening your hearts to this process, and for not thinking that I'm weird, but I'm always open to trying new things, and whenever I do try new things, I want to bring that to you guys, especially when it's something positive and it's something that I know is beneficial to my viewers and my subscribers. So blessings, and thank you guys for watching. I'm out.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got too many